How to reset motherboard BIOS settings. Sometimes you might find system unstable or cannot boot on after executing some incorrect BIOS settings or system overclocking. In these cases, you will need to reset the BIOS. We have two ways to reset BIOS settings: Reset BIOS in BIOS settings page and hardware reset. If your computer can still be turned on and shows the power on screen, please access to the BIOS settings page to reset the BIOS. Power on the system and tap either Delete or F2 key several times to enter BIOS setting page. Click Default or F5 key to reset the BIOS settings and select Save and Exit. The computer will finish resetting the BIOS and restarts. If you fail to power on your computer after making some changes in BIOS settings and you cannot reach the power on screen, please try to clear CMOS or reinstall the onboard battery to reset the BIOS settings to default one. The methods to clear CMOS will vary by different motherboards. Press the Clear CMOS buttons or touch the pin headers. Please check the user manual or download it from ASUS Support website to know how to reset BIOS for a motherboard. First, you need to turn off the computer and unplug the power cable. Reset BIOS by pressing the Clear CMOS button. It is located at the back I/O panel, or you can find it when you open up your motherboard. Press the button for 5 to 10 seconds. If you try to use pin headers for clearing CMOS on the motherboard, please refer to the user manual to find the location of the headers. Use a metal object such as screwdriver to short circuit these two pins for 5 to 10 seconds. You can also try to remove the battery for 1 minute and install it back to clear CMOS. Now you can assemble the computer case back and plug back the power cable. After turning on the power of the system, you will see a warning message showing on post result, which reminds you of completing the BIOS settings. Tap F1 to enter BIOS. Click Default or F5 key to reset the BIOS settings and select Save and Exit. Your computer will finish resetting the BIOS and automatically restart. Hope your computer can turn stable after you execute the above steps and enjoy with our ASUS motherboards. Welcome to subscribe our ASUS Support channel. Like the video and share your comment below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.